Yo, hello guys, switch here with another lesson, and it's going to be again ChatGPT basics without fucking around these days. Need to be fast and efficient. Righty, so lesson number 11. You can go to my website, so you will have summary of the lesson, so it's going to be much faster than actually listening to this lesson or either watching. But also with that being said, you will have some other value to actually if you will listen. So I'm trying to basically skip as fast as possible everything in that video, so we are not going to waste time. You will have value from listening to what content you will listening to in a minute from the course itself. You can pause the video if you like to, so you will see the correct answers, although the correct answers are here already in the summary on the website as well. What I'm trying to say, because I'm doing this like third time in the row, sort of, I'm super tired with doing this again because I already passed those courses. I already have the certificates from that course. I started that a month ago, or almost 2 months ago. Sorry. I just basically wanna fast forward to doing the other content on the channel. So sorry if I'm not like fully locked in to read everything thoroughly and yada. So with that being said, you can also go to this banner here on my website if you're thinking about opening your own brand. That will transfer you to the Wealthy Affiliate website, and you can create your own website for free with a couple of lessons which are for free. But if you wanna see the whole course without paying anything at all, you can go to my YouTube channel and just see the playlist Wealthy Affiliate, how jumpstart your business this year, as I did it 2 months ago because I lost my job and I decided to fuck it. I'm just gonna fucking do it. I'm just gonna I'm just gonna create my own brand, which I created. And two major questions like, so what, you making money right now? No, fuck me. Like, you retarded? Like, did you see the business you opening up and you making money? Say no, it's not like that. You're just creating your brand, and money is not important. The feeling is important and the journey. Another thing, how much money did you invest? Well, you don't need to invest much money because you just creating your brand. If you have an idea for it, you just creating with free to use tools or some simple tools which are not expensive. And obviously one of those tools is the Wealthy Affiliate website, which actually costing me £40 per month, and that's almost about my spendings for building the business, almost, because obviously there always are some apps involved which you need to use, like let's say Canva or something like that, or the X account, but not really anything significant. So everybody will be able to afford that. So with that being said, we can just jump into the lesson. Oh, the Oscars. If you don't know who won the Oscars, the Oscar goes to you for not giving a fuck about what other people think. That's like the life mantra that's supposed to be incorporated in everybody's lives. So yeah, the world will be a better place. Fuck me, right now I forget what lesson we are doing. Is it 11? I can't really see from that angle. But yeah, SEO optimization. So yeah, one more time, just go to the website and you will know if you want to know. If you don't want to know, just get the fuck out. Simple as that. Righty. So CEO. That's the one. CEO. Listening.
SEO optimization with ChatGPT. This lesson, we're going to explore how to refine existing text. SEO optimization by chatting with ChatGPT. We'll learn how to refine content in several iterations, making it SEO friendly. By the end of this lesson, ChatGPT enhance your text for better search engine performance. Remember Michael Chen, CEO of Tech Innovate Corp, content creation order? Loved your job. back with that article. It wants you to handle another task. Find an existing article to improve its SEO performance. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice. Start applying what you've learned or skip for now.
Okay, I don't give a fuck like I told you before, so we're just going to
Feeding
press.
instructions to ChatGPT.
I'm just going to press whatever here, and it's wrong answer, but you can see the correct answer, you can read the question, and you can go and you will see always the correct answers on the website anyway.
Before we jump into optimizing our article with relevant keywords, we need to train ChatGPT. Start by feeding chat with instructions for SEO optimization. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice.
Okay. So, right, blah, 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 blah. Right, SEO, work life. Okay, right, SEO, work life. Okay, very good.
Now it's time to put your knowledge.
Another. Add productivity, okay. Amazing. These messages are automated, by the way, but I get you figured that. So it doesn't really matter what you will be putting. That's always going to be always same answer.
What if you keywords? Let's say you are not a professional SEO specialist and cannot get the high search volume keywords list. What will you do? As you ask ChatGPT to optimize the article with keywords, similarly ask it to analyze competitors' articles, find additional keywords. So, if needed, further optimize the text by asking ChatGPT to include more keywords from competitors or to suggest relevant keywords you might have missed. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice.
Okay. Other way around. Okay.
Applying the final touches. Let's create a prompt to apply the final touches to the optimized text, ensuring all keyword content is cohesive. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice. Start applying what you've learned or skip for now.
Oh, Jesus. Sorry, guys, I'm so tired. So, like, I just want to carry on with this. What the fuck? What's the review and final? Okay, that's the one. Yeah, definitely don't want to read
Now
this.
it's time to put
Like I said, everything is on the website.
Skip for now.
You can go and check on the website.
This lesson.
The answer here is the something it is.
We focused on refining text for SEO optimization, feeding instructions, adding key, optimizing text, and using competitor analysis. We applied these techniques to create prompts that produce SEO-friendly, engaging articles. Next, we'll continue with combining techniques for complex problem solving. This will further enhance your ability to leverage ChatGPT for sophisticated tasks. Exploring, and see you in the next lesson.
Okay, so yeah, like I said, I don't give a fuck to try to do this like super long, read everything. You are smart people. You will figure it out. One more time, everything summary is on the website. You can stop the video and you will see the proper answer. Okie dokie, with that being said, I'm just gonna crack on. I still need to do 6 videos from this playlist before I will hit the bed. Or maybe not, maybe I will actually do the first stream on the channel. Peace out. Have a good one, guys.